First, preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Preheat means to make it hot before putting food in. Kia ora! It's ANZAC Day again. If you want to know about the history of ANZAC Day, click on this link. I made a video about this very important public holiday in New Zealand. Today, let's learn how to make ANZAC biscuits while learning some English words about baking. During World War I, ANZAC biscuits were sold and eaten at parties, parades, and other public events to raise money for the army. To make ANZAC biscuits, we need half a cup of flour, a third of a cup of sugar, 2/3 of a cup of desiccated coconut. Desiccated coconut means shredded and dried coconut. 3/4 of a cup of rolled oats, 50 grams butter, 1 tablespoon golden syrup, and half a teaspoon of baking soda. Baking soda is used to make food rise. And finally, 2 tablespoons of boiling water. First, preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Preheat means to make it hot before putting food in. Mix together flour, sugar, coconut, and rolled oats. Melt butter and golden syrup. Melt means to make something hot until it becomes liquid. Add baking soda in boiling water, stir, and add to butter and golden syrup. Pour all into the dry stuff in step 2. This is stirring and this is pouring. Line a baking tray with baking paper and grease the paper. This is the baking tray and this is a baking paper. To grease is to put oil on something, like this. Place tablespoonfuls of mixture on greased paper and flatten with a fork. This is a tablespoonful. To flatten is to make something flat. Bake for 15 minutes and leave them to cool for 5 minutes. Enjoy your ANZAC biscuits. See you in the next video.